All right, you guys, we are back in Bellevue today. We are here at Whisk. So excited to check out this store. Their motto is learn, cook, and entertain. And we're gonna see how they do business here at Whisk. This is a community favorite. And again, I'm super excited to check it out. So let's get to it. Here at Whisk, they also believe in high quality items, really good craftsmanship. A lot of their pieces here, a lot of their items, even down to the items that they cook within the kitchen are local items, so they support the community.
I'm Parent Chief. I am the owner of Whisk with my husband Don. We've been in business for about 6 years, and we are a small retail store curated for entertainment, cooking, and we have a cooking school in the back.
And also when you're around the store, you just can tell that a lot of care went into the items that are in the store. So you can rest assured that when you spend your money here, that you are getting some high quality items, and they're definitely going to not only make your kitchen look good, but they're going to work immaculately.
Depending, today we just had a cannoli class. So they took home cannolis that they had made and fried and filled and decorated. Tonight we have a private event, and so it's just something every day, twice a day usually.
All right, guys, so we're gonna try that cannoli. All right, we're gonna see how it tastes. Wow. It's so tasty, it's so creamy, chewy. The texture is perfect. It's just really good. It tastes like it was made with love.
Well, everyone, I hope that you enjoyed the day with me here at one of my absolute favorite places to be. I absolutely love it here, and I know that you will love it too when you visit. Again, my name is Mr. Little, and I will see you all on the next video.